Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about whether or not you can record calls with Nextiva. This is a question that I get asked a lot, and I'm happy to finally be able to answer it for you. Before I get into the details, I want to take a moment to talk about the importance of call recording. In today's digital world, it's more important than ever to be able to document your conversations. Call recording can be used for a variety of purposes, such as compliance. Many businesses are required to record calls for compliance purposes. For example, if you are in the financial services industry, you may be required to record calls with customers in order to comply with anti-money laundering regulations. Customer service. Call recording can be a valuable tool for improving customer service. By listening to recorded calls, you can identify areas where your customer service representatives can improve their performance. Training. Call recording can be used to train new employees. By listening to recorded calls of experienced employees, new employees can learn how to handle different customer interactions. Legal. Call recording can be used as evidence in legal proceedings. If you are ever involved in a lawsuit, a recorded call could be used to prove your side of the story. Now that we've talked about the importance of call recording, let's get into the details of whether or not you can record calls with Nextiva. The answer is yes, you can record calls with Nextiva. Nextiva offers a variety of call recording features, including automatic call recording. You can set up Nextiva to automatically record all calls. Selective call recording. You can choose to record only certain calls, such as calls from specific numbers or calls to specific departments. Cloud-based storage. All of your recorded calls are stored in the cloud, so you can access them from anywhere. How to record calls with Nextiva. There are a few different ways to record calls with Nextiva. Here are a few of the most common methods. Use the Nextiva app. The Nextiva app allows you to record calls from your mobile phone or tablet. Use the Nextiva web portal. You can record calls from your computer using the Nextiva web portal. Use a third-party call recording app. There are a number of third-party call recording apps that you can use with Nextiva. Important considerations. Before you start recording calls with Nextiva, there are a few important things to keep in mind. State laws. In some states, it is illegal to record a phone call without the consent of all parties involved. Be sure to check your state's laws before you start recording calls. Company policies. Your company may have policies in place regarding call recording. Be sure to check with your company's HR department before you start recording calls. Consent. If you are recording a call with someone else, you should always get their consent first. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any other questions about recording calls with Nextiva, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.